Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to use OpenAI, one of the most powerful AI tools out there. I will share some tips and talk about its exciting new feature. Let's begin. First, you need to access OpenAI. You can do this while visiting their website or using apps that have OpenAI built in. Just search for OpenAI or Chatgpt on your phone or computer. Once you are there, you will see a chat box where you can start typing new questions or tasks. Now, here is the fun part. You can ask OpenAI anything. For example, you can type, "How do I write a resume?" Explain gravity in simple words, or even give me idea for a blog post. And OpenAI will give you clear, detailed answer in second. It is like having a super smart pen who knows almost everything. If you are a student or creator, OpenAI can help you write. Just tell it what you need, like write a short story about a specific or help me write a cover letter for a job. It will give you a draft that you can edit and make you one. Super helpful, right? OpenAI is also great for learning. If you don't understand something, just ask. For example, what is quantum physics, or how does the internet work? And it will explain things in simple words. Do you can understand even the most complicated topics? Stuck on a problem, OpenAI can help with that too. Just describe your problem, like how do I fix a broken computer? Or what is the best way to save money? It will give you step-by-step solution to make your life easy. Now let's talk about some cool new features and tricks. OpenAI is always improving. For example, it can now understand image and video, not just text. It is better at coding and solving complex problems. You can even customize it to sound more like you. Pro tips: be specific when asking questions. The more details you give, the better the answer will be. So, what are you waiting for? Try OpenAI today and see how it can help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.